Hello friends, in this lecture we shall discuss Nostro accounts. Nostro accounts. First of all, what is a Nostro account? Nostro account is an account of a bank opened in a foreign country. When a bank opens an account outside the country, that account is called Nostro account. For example, State Bank of India, New Delhi, they open an account with Barclays Bank in London. So this account opened by SBI is Nostro account. So this is an account opened by a bank in a foreign country. Friends, these accounts are referred to as our account with you. And Nostro comes from a Latin word which means our. Our account with you, that is an account of a bank opened in a foreign country, that is a Nostro account. What are features of Nostro account? The first feature is such accounts are required by a bank for their overseas transactions. When banks are conducting business, they may have to undertake transactions outside country also. And for that, they may be requiring a bank account. Now, these transactions may be relating to their customers, or these transactions may be relating their internal transactions, let us say their investments, that is proprietary transactions. Second feature, these accounts are maintained in the currency of that country where such account is opened. So here in our example, this account is opened in London. So this will be in the currency of this country, that is pound sterling. This account is a current account, and on this account this bank will not pay any interest. On the other hand, if account is overdrawn by State Bank of India, then Barclays Bank will recover interest from State Bank of India. What is credited in this account? Inflow in foreign currency is credited in this account. For example, a foreign currency bill sent by State Bank of India, which is realized in London or in UK, the proceeds of that will be credited to this account. And any outflow of foreign currency is debited to this account. For example, if SBI issues a demand draft on London, which is paid by Barclays Bank, then this account will be debited. The balance is included in the foreign currency position of a bank. All banks prepare their foreign currency position on a daily basis. The balance in this account is included in that foreign currency position, foreign currency outstanding balance. And as regards the treatment in balance sheet, for balance sheet purpose, the foreign currency balance in this account is notionally converted into Indian currency at the current foreign exchange rate. A favorable balance in this account is shown as asset, and an unfavorable balance is shown as a liability. So these are the basic features of Nostro accounts. As regards Vostro and Loro accounts, We shall continue in the next lecture. Thank you, friends.